Okay, you guys, let's jump straight into this video. So here I'm just combing my hair back so I can prep it. My edges is coming back and I'm just parting out. I'm gonna do it like a deep side part, and I'm just combing out. I am scratching my head while I'm doing this, but I'm just getting out, making sure it's enough for my bang and my leave out, making sure everything fits right. And as you can see, it does. So I'm just gonna finish parting. I want it kind of deep. So I'm just going to part all the way around, and I'm just trying to make sure that everything fits and look great, and that I have enough hair left out to cover my tracks, because don't nobody want to see your tracks showing, girl. And I'm just continuing to scratch. And I'm just acting silly here.
Okay.
Okay, back to the video. So, as you can see, I've already braided my little leave out. Don't come for my braids. But I braided my leave out, so that's what you see braided. And I braided it all around so that I can have hair left out. And my arm is tired, so that's why you see me kind of resting it on my little rail. So here's the finished look. Again, these braids are good enough for me. I'm going to use 2 bundles of my Filipino hair, which I absolutely love. It's very top tier, my love. And I'm just going to start by sewing that first bundle in. And y'all, this is my like my 3rd time sewing in my own hair. I usually like going to a salon because I don't like doing it, but this actually came out pretty good. So now I finished that first bundle, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty full actually, and I only wanted 2 bundles. And see, as you can see, everything gets covered in the back. So now I'm about to work on my bundle number 2. And then this is the finished product. After you finish sewing, if you already know how to sew, then it's piece of cake. So now I'm just gonna flat out. I'm going to straighten my leave out with a hot comb, just kind of press it. And I have some leftover thread that I had to kind of cut. I probably cut some of my hair, but girl, it's fine. It'll grow back. But yeah, we're just going to make sure everything is laying seamless, and make sure that everything is also flat. And girl, you got to make sure you cover your tracks. So I'm just pressing everything out, and it's very smooth. And I love these natural curls on it. And I just threw a few little curls in, and I'm about to touch up my little baby hair, try to finesse a little bit while your girl edges grow back. So I'm just finessing it. I took some Sebastian and I sprayed on my edge brush just to kind of mold them down. I don't want them crunchy, and I love Sebastian. I think it's Body Shaper or something like that. Whatever it's called, or Shaper something. But yeah, I just took that, and I'm just going to kind of mold my little baby hairs down. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the finished look. I'm going to tie it down. And again, I'm just adding, some edge control so I can mold that down. But I'm not really going anywhere, so I didn't want to do it too much because I know I'm going to need it for my Denver trip. So I just wanted to go in and kind of throw some curls in there. But I'm going to fix and see that little part. It was giving me the blues. I'm like, girl, don't do that, So you got to make sure nothing's showing. And everything is flat. And I took some Sebastian and I went in just to kind of, again, brush everything down. But that is it, you guys. Your girl is ready. I absolutely love this hair. This is my favorite. And I think my sewing came out pretty good. Please let me know what you guys think in a comment. And I'm going to attach a picture after this so you can see.